AI tools for freelancers and solopreneurs. Running a freelance business or a one person operation means you are the product, the marketer, the accountant, the customer service department, and the project manager all at the same time. Now, there is no team to delegate to, and there is no department to hand something off to. Everything that you need to do gets done. Now, that's the reality most solopreneurs are going to live in, and it creates a specific kind of pressure. You can only bill for the hours you're working with clients, but a huge chunk of your week gets consumed by everything that is not client work, writing proposals, following up on invoices, and managing your inbox. Now, time spent on those things is time you're not earning. The AI tools have become the closest thing to a virtual team that a solo operator can get. Not in a vague futuristic sense, but in a practical right now sense. There are tools available today that handle your first draft proposals, automate your follow up emails, and generate your social content. Now, this video is a practical breakdown of the best AI tools for freelancers and solopreneurs organized by the specific job that they do in your business. Now, by the end, you will know exactly which tools are worth adding to your workflow and where they're going to save you the most time. Now, before we get into specific tools, it is worth being clear about what AI actually does well for one person business and what it doesn't. Now, AI is quite excellent at handling tasks that are repeatable, language based, or even data driven. Writing first drafts, summarizing documents, generating ideas, formatting information, or even answering routine questions. So, what AI doesn't do is replace your judgment, your relationships, or even your expertise. Clients hire you because of what you know and how you think. AI can handle the execution of routine tasks, but the strategy, the creative decision, and the client relationship are still entirely yours. The goal is to use AI to compress the time you spend on everything that is not your core expertise, so more of your hours go towards the work you only do. I've organized this video around the 5 core functions of a solo business: client acquisition, client communication, service delivery, finance and admin, and personal productivity. Each section is going to cover the best AI tools for that specific function and how to use them practically. Now, getting clients is the lifeblood of a freelance business, and it's also the area most solopreneurs either neglect or approach consistently. Content creation is one of the most effective long-term client acquisitions. Okay, you could literally go over to any platform on freelancing. Let's say we have Fiverr over here, and look at that. This is the most consistent and valid construction of content. Okay, now posting consistently on LinkedIn, writing articles, producing videos, or maintaining a newsletter builds credibility and keeps you visible to potential clients. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper can generate first drafts of LinkedIn posts, articles, and newsletter content in minutes. Now, the key, as with all AI generated content, is to edit it to sound like you. Add your specific opinions, your real examples, your actual experience. AI is going to give you the structure and the starting point, and your voice makes it worth reading. Now, for proposal lighting, you can use tools like Better Proposals or even QWIIR. Now, you could pretty much use these to create proper proposals, close deals faster for yourself, and just get a well-structured proposal that used to take you 2 hours to write and can be drafted in the matter of 30 minutes. Now, for cold outreach, what you could do is you could use another great AI called Apollo AI. And Apollo AI is amazing. You provide the prospect's name, the prospect's country, company, and a few context points, and the AI generates a personalized opening line for each email. Personalized cold emails consistently outperform generic templates, and AI makes personalization feasible even when you're reaching out to dozens of prospects. Now, once you have clients, the quality of your communication directly affects client satisfaction, referrals, and everything. So, it also consumes a significant amount of time. AI tools can help you communicate faster without sacrificing quality. Now, Gmail or even Outlook both now have an AI writing assistant built in. Now, in Gmail, it's called Help Me Write, ran by Google Gemini, and in Outlook, it's part of the Microsoft Copilot. Now, these tools are going to pretty much go ahead and draft you those proper emails. You review, adjust the tone, and send, and what used to take 10 inputs or 10 minutes per email takes 2. For client calls and meetings, what you can do is you can use stuff like Otter AI. Otter AI is AI meeting transcription tools that joins your calls automatically, transcribes the whole conversation in real time, and generates a summary of everything. The summary is going to land in your inbox when the call ends, and for client-facing work where you need to capture requirements, feedbacks, or decisions accurately, this is one of the most practically useful tools on the list. And finally, for client onboarding, what you can do is you can use Notion AI. Now, Notion is going to let you build templated onboarding documents that helps populate based on the client's project details. A standard onboarding packet, welcome message, project timeline, communication guidelines, all of this is available. Now, the tools in this category depend heavily on what your freelance service actually is, but there are several AI tools that are broadly useful across most service types. Now, for any work that involves writing or editing, copywriters, content strategists, or any consultant coaches use Claude or GPT as their core tool. You can also use Grammarly AI's features to go beyond grammar correction, but GPT and Claude will do most of the work for you. Now, for design work, Canva's AI features have made it genuinely competitive for non-designers producing client deliverables like social media graphics, presentations, and reports. Now, the Magic Design features generate a full design layout from a text prompt, and the background remover and Magic Edit tools handle image editing tasks that used to require Photoshop. For freelancers who need to produce visual assets but aren't professional designers, Canva AI fills all of that gap. So admin work is part of freelancing that nobody actually signs up for, and it's yet unavoidable. Invoicing, expense tracking, tax prep, contract management, these tasks are pretty necessary, but not billable. AI tools are increasingly handling significant portions of this. So first of all, we have a great software called FreshBooks. Now, FreshBooks is an accounting software which both have AI features and core uses that categorize expenses automatically, flag unusual transactions, generate financial reports, and in FreshBooks' case, produce invoice drafts based on your project tracking. Now, for contract tools like DocuSign's AI features and Ironclad can review contract language, flag unusual clauses, and summarize the key terms of agreement in plain English. For time tracking and invoicing, Harvest integrates with project management tools, and for tax prep, Keeper is an AI-powered tool built specifically for freelancers and self-employed people. Now, the final category is how you manage your own time and focus as a solo operator, because without a team structure or external accountability, personal productivity is entirely self-managed. Now, Notion AI is one of the most versatile productivity tools for solopreneurs. Notion itself is a workspace for notes, project management, database, and documents. The AI layer on top of it, of course, makes it so much better. Now, you could use tools like Reclaim or Superhuman AI, which are pretty much just like Notion, but I feel like Notion is the best option to end it all off. Now, solo business owners who uses AI tools effectively have a meaningful competitive advantage, not because the tools do the work for them, but because they spend more of their time on high-value work and less on everything else. The tools that tend to deliver the most impact fastest are the ones closest to revenue, proposal writing, client communication, and service delivery. So you're going to start there, build a small toolkit around your core workflow before expanding into productivity and admin tools. Freelancing is already a model built on leverage. You sell expertise rather than time, ideally. AI extends that leverage further, and solopreneurs who learn to use these tools are now going to be significantly more productive. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.